Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So we have reached ORCHHA finally. So we have started in the morning 5 o'clock from Khajuraho and we have reached by 9 in the morning. So it's a 4-hour journey and the road was very good guys, it was very adventurous. I really like the curves of the road and I really had a great fun driving through those crazy roads. By the way, the plan for today is guys, we are going to cover Mahal Fort and one more is Jhangir Mahal. And in the evening we'll go for Chatris and do some boat ride for the sunset. So as of now this is the plan. It's already 11 o'clock now. We'll try to make all this in one day because we are only going to stay for one day. After that we are moving to the next destination. And now guys we are in a restaurant which is called as Indian restaurant. It's just opposite to the fort and we have ordered a food. So we have ordered aloo parota and some gobi parotas. So I'll taste them and let you know how the taste is. Yeah bro, really the taste is very good. I'll give 4 out of 5 rating. I recommend this restaurant guys. Please check it out. It's called as Indian restaurant. It's just opposite to the Raj Mahal. See you there. So guys, we are done with the tasty food. Now the plan is that we'll go and explore the fort. So the lucky thing is all the places are nearby only, the famous places. So here is the Raj Mahal, behind that is Jhangir Mahal, opposite to that is Chhatrabhuj temple. And from here just 1 kilometer you have that Chhatris fort also. By the way guys, I recommend this restaurant. Its name is called as Indian restaurant. The taste is very good and it's very budget friendly. The gobi parota was just 50 rupees. I think that's very budget friendly and tasty. So check it out when you're here. Okay, now let's go and explore the fort. So guys, we are finally done with our first destination. So we have discovered all the Raj Mahal. So I got some interesting facts from the guide guys. So the guide says that this is not the main kingdom of the king. From here it's 35 kilometers. It's called as Kadar or something like that. So he used to stay there, his main kingdom was there, but once when he came for hunting, he felt that this place was very interesting. So he thought of having a Mahal here, which is like a farmhouse. So then he proposed the order to the servants and they started building it. But unfortunately, he died in the process of construction. It almost took like 100 years to build this. It almost took 4 kings to make this completely happen. And they did not use cement in this, guys. And the colors which are used in this, you saw some paintings, right? They are natural colors. They are made from vegetables, flowers and all. Overall, these are some interesting facts. And now let's go and explore the Jhangir Mahal. So guys, we are finally done with our second spot also. So we have almost all explored this Jhangir Mahal. So now I'll say you some of the interesting facts which I got from the guide. So this Mahal was built in 22 years, guys. It was built in 17th century after the Raj Mahal, and Raj Mahal was built in 15th century. It was built in the 17th century. The reason this Mahal was built is because this is mainly dedicated to Jhangir. At those times, Indian kings used to pay taxes to the Mughal emperors. So the local king here decided to skip the tax and try to make friendship with the Mughal rulers, mainly the Jhangir. So he invited Jhangir to Orchha, but Jhangir said, I'll come you because you have invited me these many times. So, but I need a palace for myself, then I'll come to your place. So then the king here built this Mahal in 22 years. So when Jhangir visited this place, he saw the architecture here, which combines both Hindu architecture and Muslim architecture. He was very impressed and said that from now on you need not to pay any taxes for Mughal emperors. So that's why this Mahal was built. And later, after the Jhangir left, so the family members of the king used this Mahal. So they have almost 136 rooms here. So the VIP guests and their family used to stay here. The Raj Palace, mainly the Raja used to stay there. So that's it with this place, guys. Now we are planning to go to the Chhatrapati temple. I think there is some time left. If not, we'll directly go to the Chhatris and do the boat ride. It's very sunny, guys. I think summer has already started. So we'll take some rest and then figure out the things. Should we go to the temple or not? So I'll catch you there. Guys, we have finally reached to our third spot of the day. We skipped the Chamundi temple, guys, because it's too hot. As you can see my sweat, the sun is sucking away all the energy, guys. So we don't want to risk it, and we are already exhausted. So we came to our third spot, which is a Chhatri spot. So there is the river and we'll do the boat ride. I don't want to explore much because there is no much of architecture, but I can see the building from the outside is very good. So now I'll fly the drone here because I'm really exhausted, guys. The sun really took away all my energy. It just sucked the energy. It's just starting of the summer, guys. I don't know how it will be in the mid of the summer. Oh, it's too hot, guys. So that's okay. So enjoy the drone shots now. So guys, we have finally reached our fourth spot. It is called Sunset Point ORCHHA. It is a small park, guys. As you can see, there is the Chhatri monument. Opposite to that is this park. In between you just have a small river. It's just 500 meters from there, guys. To reach there, you need to take a bridge from here and you can reach into the park. He's just charging 50 rupees, guys. But if you're not doing the boat ride or you just want to sit here and relaxingly see the sunset, this is the best place to be, guys. It's really wonderful, and I think you can also take some beautiful pictures. Now we'll go and do some boat ride. beautiful sunset. It was a wonderful and colorful experience, guys. The very reason I came to this place is to capture this sunset with this monument, because from the very moment I saw the image of this monument, I want to capture it and I want to do a boat ride here. And finally I got a beautiful image, and it was a very peaceful boat ride. And overall my opinion about this place is, guys, it's very peaceful place. It's off touristic, so I recommend this place for those guys who are seeking peace or who wants to spend a quality time with themselves. So this is a place, guys, because there are no many people here. You can definitely have a very quality time for yourself. And about the fort, guys, the fort is massive. I could not see much of architecture because people used to live in that fort. That's why they did not concentrate on the architecture much. I guess they just had some basic needs. But overall, rather than the fort, I enjoyed the view from the fort, which is very good and beautiful experience. So overall, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and the beautiful drone shots. So that's it for today. Now I'll go roam around the streets and kill some time, eat some street food. I want to have some time for myself because this is the last day of our trip. Maybe we are going to go one more place. After that we are going to home back. So I'm planning to keep the camera down and take time for myself, as this place is very calmful. I really want to get everything out of it. So that's it, guys. I'll take a leave for today. So take care, bye bye, keep moving.